morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Wherever in the world you're listening me from, greetings. People, I've never cooked this before. Now this is the famous soup without water that I've seen going viral on YouTube. So I said, let me try it. So I was trying it with beef, soup bone of course, and chicken. So I pressured my bone separately and I put the chicken, the cabbage, the carrot, and the corn inside. It was there for more than an hour and I could not get that water. So it was there cooking. I turned the flame down, I turned it up. I could not get that water that is needed. So after the bone is cooked, I have maybe about a cup of water leave and I pour it in. So this is the end result. It's not bad. So it's not a lot of liquid, yeah. This mostly is from the beef. So this is the beef broth that I have. Now this is the soup. I like it. I love the look. Yes. So I'm gonna season it right now with my scallion. So I have some black pepper and some other powdered seasoning that I put in. I must put some garlic in it. Yeah, so this is it. It doesn't look bad. I've never had it before, but without the water, I can't get it to make its own water. I don't know if I don't have the patience or what, but this is it. I'm gonna put my Jamaican touch to it, okay? That's my Jamaican touch. And of course I add some onion to it also. This is some garlic powder, yeah. Then I'm gonna turn the flame down. And that's it. I can get this. I have to put a little water in it. Not a lot. And then this now is the colado. This cabbage soup tastes good. Yeah. Put a little butter in it also. I think this is it. Mm.